Read and Write for Google Chrome can be used in multiple languages. To change your language, click the three-dot icon on the toolbar and go to Options. Then go to the Language tab. The language setting will change the language of the text, menu options, and icons on the toolbar. The feature setting will allow you to use Read and Write features like word prediction, dictionary, or vocab list in the language you've chosen. You should also be sure to select a matching voice from the Speech tab. Now you can use Read and Write in languages like French,
La migration des oiseaux est une migration animale régulière et saisonnière de nombreuses espèces d'oiseaux.
Spanish, and more. For more information on Read and Write, visit texthelp.com.